got mail. Let's see. I think I know what it is, but I don't really remember. In the meantime, the company that I had from boondockers.com ended up leaving this morning, so I never got to film them. But they were a lovely family, and I'm really glad that I got to meet them. Anyway, here we go. Packing. I remember now. I ordered some dishes, storage containers that are space savers for the RV. I think there's 50 containers. Wow. Well, this is good, then I can run them through the dishwasher before I leave. And they're all the same size, so there's the lids. More lids. That's a lot of containers. But I was thinking they were pretty good size for in the RV, and I don't have to use them just for food. Yeah. That's a lot. I think it was $20, but I got it on Amazon. Anyway. Yeah. Pretty good size for the RV, nice for the fridge. Nuts, bolts, screws, some toiletries. I mean, I can use it for a lot of things. They're pretty good. So that's that. And then I also ordered because I had to take the wallpaper down in the RV and put in, I painted it. Don't like the paint. It just looks so blah. I found this. And it's peel and stick wallpaper, and I'm hoping it'll work better than, because that's what they had in the RV to begin with the peel and stick instead of the paste on wallpaper. I really think that the reason the paste on wallpaper didn't work in the RV was because of the heat. It just obliterated, completely dried out the blue. So I think that's what my problem was. Pretty pricey mistake, both financially and physically. Ooh, but so I got this wallpaper hoping that it would blend in with everything else I've got and match. Not be an eyesore, and hopefully be easy to put up. There it is. I like it because it's the smaller panels. If they were really big in that small area in the TrailManor, I don't think I'd like it as much, but oh, and it's marked on the back, so I'll be able to cut it straight. That's a good thing. So, I'm not sure if I will attempt to do this before I go, or if I'll wait until I get back, or not wait till I get back, or wait till I'm somewhere on the road, because I'll be gone 4 or 5 months. But for right now, I'm just going to put it back in the box and wait and see what happens. I don't have my truck back. I'm not real sure what's going on, but I am getting a little concerned because my leave date, as y'all know, is the 21st of July, this month, which is in like 7 days, 6 days, something like that. And the thing that's concerning me is the guy that's supposed to be fixing the truck, which he is, was also supposed to take it and get it smogged. All my DMV stuff has been paid for, so as soon as it gets smogged, it'll trigger DMV to send me my tax. well, I just don't know how long it's going to take them to send the tags out to me in the mail. So my trip might be a little bit delayed because of that, but like I said, I don't know for sure yet. I'm going to call DMV probably tomorrow, it's getting late tonight, and see if, when it gets small, if I can just bring the paperwork in, and they'll give me the mailing them out. So I'll call them tomorrow morning and see what they think. Anyway, so, new containers that I'm real happy with. I'm pleased with the size. And my friend Judy is going to catch up with me. She's going to fly into Seattle. And I'll pick her up in Seattle, and then we'll head east cross country together. So I don't have to do the whole trip alone. And what else? So Judy's catching up with me. The Boondocker people left, and they were a lovely family. The truck, the wallpaper, the containers. I guess that's it for right now. Anyway, when I have more stuff or more information on the truck and the travels, I will let you know. Thanks for watching. Bye.